Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is TELESIN 70 phone tripod and selfie stick. I am purchasing this one from official website telesin.com. The same product available on Amazon as well. This is the Amazon page, and TELESIN 130 cm automatic selfie stick mobile phone tripod. I'm purchasing this one €25. So now we will do unboxing and let's see how to use this tripod especially for my iPhone. Let's check it out. Now I just simply cut the wrapper. Inside the box we received tripod only, and here is the magic booklet. So how to use, all types of information is here. Inside the box we receive impressive tripod. Look at this here, just only tripod, here. The remote control also we receive. This remote control, it's speciality of USB-C charging, so no need to change the battery. Here is the on off button. Back side of this remote, afterwards the light is on. Very easily connect via Bluetooth in your smartphone, and afterwards the mobile stand and rest of things is open here afterward like this. It's really impressive tripod and it's really compact as well. Inside the box we receive big bag as well, so you can very easily put this tripod in the bag and carry as well. And USB and C type charging cable as well, so you can very easily charge this remote control. For the €25, the product is really impressive. Look at this here. How to open, it's very easy, just simply like this, and tripod is open. Afterwards you can very easily fix here your mobile phone like this. Height, exactly we can see what is the height of this tripod. So look at this, this is the height of this tripod, around 170 plus. My height is 72, so here this height is really impressive and quality is really nice, so you can very easily carry as well during the travel. And as my personal opinion, one of the interesting fact, this tripod is automatically inside all these things. You can fix here any other different tripod or light as well, but this tripod is much impressive compared to other one. And second thing, impressive thing, like this you can open. Apart from that, this tripod, look at this here, you can change the location as well, like 160 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Celsius like this. So yeah, it's an impressive tripod. So this is the simple unboxing and review video of TELESIN 70 phone tripod and selfie stick. If you have any question related on this tripod, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.